Hey, it's meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team, taking a look at your forecast for today and beyond. As we do see some clear skies out there towards the east of the city, and it's starting to cloud up pretty decently over the foothills and the mountains. We definitely have enough moisture in the air. You saw that pretty evident this morning. There was quite a bit of fog and low clouds and even some mist in the area. That is the indication that we have a lot of moisture in the air, and that's going to be the ingredients for some thunderstorms here in the next couple hours across the Denver metro area. We're already starting to see some of those showers start to form. If you look at the live radar picture, over the higher terrain, over the mountains, and a couple of spots over the western slope, we do see those storms and rain showers starting to form in the area. Take a zoom in look here at the Front Range. Some thunderstorms going up there closer to Fort Collins, getting a couple of raindrops going through there. We'll start to see a little bit more activity over the next couple of hours. We have the potential for some heavy downpours, although pretty isolated. I think not a lot of people will get those really heavy ones, but that is a possibility for today, just because we have just so much moisture in the air. And also there is a slight potential for some larger hail, so severe hail between 1 inch and 1.5 inches. So that's the size of a quarter up to a ping pong ball will be certainly possible, although I think that will also be isolated in nature. Take a look at the live camera at Lookout Mountain, looking over the city of Golden up to the north there. When you see those showers over on the left, they're clinging to the foothills right now, clinging to the higher terrain, using the slope of the mountains to get a little bit of lift. And out to the east of the city, we're still pretty clear, and we're starting to warm up. We really warmed up quite quickly from about 55 degrees at 9:30 to now in the low 70s across the Denver metro area. It's 73 degrees here at the 9 News studios in South Downtown, Mile High City. And out at the airport, the big airport, reporting 72 degrees. We could maybe get another couple of degrees of warming before we start to see those thunderstorms start to pop in the Denver area. Here's a look at Futurecast, our in-house computer forecast model, showing those thunderstorms mainly clinging to the foothills for the next hour or two, maybe an hour and a half, maybe a light shower across the Denver metro area early on, but it won't be probably until after 3:30 where we start to see the heavier showers start to form. And once we get to about the 5 o'clock hour, you can start to see some heavier storms, although pretty isolated. You can see that on Futurecast here at 5:30, showing one possible strong to severe thunderstorm up in Weld County near Greeley. And that would carry the potential for some pretty heavy rain. We're looking at more than 1 inch per hour rainfall rates with this. So we could get quite a bit of water in a short amount of time with these, and also that larger hail, but pretty isolated. If you look down towards the metro area at 536, showing not full coverage. So this could be one of those situations where not everybody gets some rain out of this, but those who do will have the potential to have a significant amount of rain. And as we go into the late afternoon, early evening hours, those rain showers and thunderstorms will still be in the area. So we're carrying the potential for that rain all the way until really 10 o'clock tonight. We could still see a couple of showers in the area. So we just have a lot of moisture in the air, and that's going to continue into tomorrow. I'll take a look at tomorrow here in just a second, but here's the high temperatures for tomorrow. Just a little bit cooler. We'll have a little bit of cool air drift into the area once again, and that'll have a little bit more significant impact tomorrow to our temperatures tomorrow, just maybe getting up into the low to middle 60s across the area. We'll also have a severe thunderstorm risk. Let me back that up so you can see the entire state here, really from the Denver area all the way down to the bottom of the I-25 corridor into New Mexico. We're looking at that level 1 marginal severe thunderstorm risk, with the stronger storms out there in Baca County into the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas. Texas got really hammered the other day when in the Caprock area of the panhandle with some 5-inch hail and a bunch of tornadoes out there. We're not looking at anything like that in our area, but the 1 inch potential for that hail is certainly possible. And as you look at this severe thunderstorm risk up a little bit closer, you'll see that it's that typical area that we have been seeing quite a bit of severe weather in this year, and that is Denver International Airport, the Southeast Metro, Douglas County, and Elbert County once again will be in the severe potential. But don't forget about the non-severe weather. That has been also a big impact here. Small hail and accumulating hail, which we sometimes call plowable hail. That can basically act like snow on the roads and makes it very difficult to drive when you have that much hail on the roads. We've seen quite a bit of that. Lightning is also a big kicker for us. There's no such thing as severe lightning, so all the lightning is about the same level of danger and damage potential. So lightning is a non-severe weather impact that we have seen a lot of. Flash flooding is certainly possible with the rainfall rates. When you get up to 1.5 inches per hour rainfall rate, that could cause a little bit of some flash flooding. We could maybe see some small urban and small stream advisories tonight, and some localized street flooding possible, but just in those areas where we get those heavier showers, which would be isolated. Take another look at the zoomed out version of Futurecast here, showing the entire state this evening, showing thunderstorms between about 2:30 or 3 o'clock all the way till 7:30 with those heavier potential, but not covering everywhere. So it's kind of scattered in nature. And then by about 11:30 tonight, we start to see the showers get out of the state and then return again on Wednesday. Wednesday's potential, I think, has a little bit more coverage. So if you don't get any rain today, there's a little better chance for you to get some tomorrow. Of course, most of us have had our fair share of rain over the last few days here, as we carry a very wet pattern, and that will continue for the next couple of days. As we go into tomorrow night, it'll probably be the same scenario where we have a few showers still lingering in the area, even in the late night hours, 10:30, 11 o'clock, even midnight. We could be seeing a couple of showers in the area. So what does that all mean for your 7-day forecast here in Denver? Well, we have afternoon thunderstorm potential each of the next 7 days. I think today and tomorrow will have the bulk of the potential for this week. We'll start to dry things out a little bit on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, although the moisture will still be there to get a quick isolated shower each of those days. But look at the temperatures heading back up into the 80s. We'll be at the peak of the ridge on Sunday, it looks like, and we could make a run at 90 degrees. We have yet to have a 90 yet this year. On average, we don't get to 90 until about the second week of June, but we've flirted with 90 degrees several times so far here in the Denver metro area, and we may do that again before it looks like we have another significant storm coming next week, and we could be looking at severe weather potential next Monday, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So really all you need to know is that we have afternoon thunderstorm potential each of the next 7 days. That's a look at your forecast. I hope you all have a real nice day and be safe out there.